we started this collaboration, particularly in training high-level health personnel many years back. It's about 15 years ago that we started this, or even more. And we started at a very humble level, and we have grown over the years to this today's signing, where we probably can say we have a lot of our students now manning very important institutions all over the country and even abroad. That one I can say for sure I'm very proud of. This occasion today actually marks another era of continuity in this particular collaboration. We have signed a memorandum of agreement today, and in this one a lot of new things we believe will be coming out. You know, KEMRI and the JKUAT, all of us have all these mindsets and people, students, be they actually research scientists, that are involved in innovative undertakings. And you've heard about this, and if you have not heard about this, we are happy to show this to everybody. KEMRI, in the advent of this particular pandemic, that is the COVID-19, has been involved in a number of innovations. Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology has also done the same. We want to marry these minds, we want to put together these minds, and I can assure you what actually will come out of this particular continued marriage will be much more than what we individually have been generating. I'm very, very proud to be part of this, and we actually say we will continue. So in this process, I can tell you for sure, a lot of innovation also comes out. The innovative minds that we have from JKUAT and the innovative minds that we have in KEMRI, marry them, and you can imagine what actually comes out of that. So that is basically what we are going to do. Training them, but it's not just training them and letting them go out there. We want them to be innovative, and the production that you'll be seeing and you have been seeing around during this era of this particular pandemic, the COVID-19 outbreak, that is a big lesson, and it has charged us to continue to work together to actually be productive in many ways. We have been working in KEMRI, and you know that is what has basically been happening. JKUAT has done quite a lot of great things. We've heard about these hand washers, sanitizer dispensers and all this. They're coming out of here. There are a lot of things that we're doing in KEMRI, including those vaccine developments, the kits that we are doing there. We're doing that as us. Now, that tells us we are not working together. And this is the time that I know there are minds in here that actually are able to work even in the vaccine development. Those are the ones that we're going to pursue and make sure that we work together to come up with this kind of vaccines that we're looking forward to.
We have signed an MOU. So our researchers in the College of Health Sciences and also our researchers in the College of Pure and Applied Sciences and College of Engineering will now be able to come together with KEMRI, and we can only see big things happening between us. The COVID-19 pandemic is just the beginning. There are many other things that we can do together. We are looking forward to even bigger. With KEMRI, it is the beginning, and of course we think that there will be other people who we can collaborate with, sign MOUs and go very far. Our Chancellor has already said that from this signing of this MOU, we can now come together as researchers, write grants, proposals together, source for funding together, and do major research work together, which will only impact the country and the region and Africa at large. I think Jomo Kenyatta University is one of the top universities in the country. We proudly hold on to that position, and by partnering with people like KEMRI, this will enhance our position as a research university. In my talk I said we are striving to be recognized as a research university. From research we will innovate, and in this way we hope to actually hold a top position in the country as a research university.